what's up everyone? Welcome back to the Voice Savvy YouTube channel. So today we're going to be listening to Billie Eilish's performance of When the Party's Over on the Howard Stern Show. So yeah, let's have a listen. My coffee's good.
Don't you know I'm no good for you?
So already I am loving that subtle vocal fry and that slightly raspy quality that she's bringing into her singing. It's really adding that texture, isn't it? That don't you know I'm no good for you. I'm really exaggerating it, but it's that vocal fry, that creaky It's so effective. I love it. Let's come back and let's listen to it again.
Don't you know I'm no good for you?
You can hear it, right?
I've learned to lose, you can't afford to. Tore my shirt to stop you bleeding, but nothing ever stops you leaving.
So the purity of her voice really stands out, isn't it? And I always love her soft whispery tones. I'm sure that we all love her soft whispery tones. It's kind of part of her signature sound, isn't it? And I'm loving the way that she's using her falsetto and head voice to really create that almost haunting and that ethereal sound in her singing. It's amazing. It's beautiful.
Quiet when I'm going home and I am on my own.
So good.
And I can lie, say I like it,
Love the
like
harmony.
that, like it like that. I can lie, say I like it like that.
They
like
sound
it
so
like
good together.
that. Don't you know too much already?
Love the little subtle vibrato.
I'll only hurt you if you let me. Call me friend, but keep me closer. Call me back.
Ooh, beautiful. I loved that. So this song, it's sung over 2 octaves, so it's not an easy song to sing, and it's just incredible how she really navigates the melody with such precision and ease, isn't it? And she just has this overall effortless quality in her singing, and I just think it's amazing how she connects through her vocal registers. It's like she has one voice from the bottom of her vocal range to the top of her vocal range, isn't it? So good.
Call me friend, but keep me closer. Call me back.
Oh,
And I'll call you.
I love Phineas's voice as well.
Party's over. Quiet when I'm coming home and I'm on my own.
So using her head voice and falsetto is really allowing her to hit those higher notes without any vocal strain. And I love the way that she does that, because I think that sometimes as singers, when it comes to higher notes, we can think that we need to hit them in a really big, powerful way, but it doesn't always have to be like that. And Billie just shows us that we can actually hit higher notes in head voice and falsetto, and it's okay, you know, it's okay. We can just play around with the dynamics a little bit more and not think that it always has to be big and powerful and yelly, you know. But yeah, I just love the fact that she does that, and I have to challenge myself to do that as well sometimes. Just to play around with the dynamics and not just opt for the obvious boom, let's go for this big note, you know. So yeah, I love it. All right, let's carry on.
And I can lie, say I like it like that, like it like that.
every note, every breath is intentional.
Once we've both said our goodbye,
Her control's flawless.
let's just let it go. Let me let you go.
I mean, look at her expressions and the way that she's really immersing herself into the song's emotions. Like, it's captivating. Like, she doesn't just sing the lyrics, she feels them, you know?
Quiet when I'm coming home and I'm on
Vocal fry
my
again.
home.
Nice.
I could lie, say I like it like that, like it like
Beautiful falsetto.
I could lie, say I like it like that, like it like that.
I love this minimalist arrangement. It's amazing. It's just her voice and Phineas's voice in the piano, yet it feels so full and it feels so complete. And I think this simplicity really allows her voice to shine. It just shows off her voice so much more, you know? But amazing. So that's it for my Billie Eilish reaction video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and then you can stay up to date with the videos I'm posting, and download the Voice Savvy app, which is available on the App Store and Google Play. And until next time, I will see you soon. Peace.